In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate ModCloth's website efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or a first timer, knowing the steps to access your account details and orders is crucial. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever one you prefer. Once your browser is open and ready, type in the website address www.modcloth.com into the address bar and hit enter. After a brief moment, you should be greeted by ModCloth's homepage, showcasing a variety of trendy fashion items and the latest collections. Now that you're on the homepage, let's move on to signing into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the web page. You'll notice a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click that button. A new page will appear, prompting you to enter your login credentials. Type in the email address associated with your ModCloth account. Be sure it's the one you used when you initially set up your account with them. After that, enter your password. If you happen to forget your password, most sites, ModCloth included, provide an option to reset it, usually with a Forgot Password link nearby. Once your email and password are entered correctly, click the Sign In button. In just a few seconds, you'll be inside your account. With the sign-in step behind us, let's proceed to accessing your account details. At this point, you should notice your account name or icon again appearing in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several options for managing different aspects of your account. Select the option labeled My Account. Clicking this will direct you to your personal account page where all your details are neatly organized. Now we've arrived at the final step, navigating to your order history. While still on the My Account page, you should easily spot a section dedicated to your orders. This section may also feature links labeled something akin to orders or order history. Go ahead and click this link. Once this page loads, you'll be able to view your past purchases, track new shipments, and check the status of any outstanding orders. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your ModCloth account and checked your orders. It's always a great idea to familiarize yourself with these steps, especially if you're someone who orders frequently. By following this straightforward process, you'll be able to quickly and easily navigate ModCloth, ensuring that your shopping experience remains smooth and satisfying. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.